Setelah lebih sebulan Berita Harian memperkenalkan wadah digitalnya kepada masyarakat Melayu Islam Singapura, pada 8 Februari lalu, Berita Harian secara rasmi melancarkan wadah itu sambil meraihkan pasukan Lions 12 yang menentang pasukan Terengganu di Stadium Jalan Besar.
We have started putting our digital edition since over a month ago, but today is the official launch, and we were very happy with the response. But of course, we thank everyone and also FAS for working with us to this digital edition, and we got a tremendous response. I hope this collaboration will continue. Important that we can have a good partnership.
Pelancaran itu dirasmikan pemangku Menteri Kebudayaan Masyarakat dan Belia Encik Lawrence Wong dan turut dihadiri anggota Lembaga Pengarah Singapore Press Holdings Encik Bahrin Syari. Encik Wong menegaskan pentingnya peranan Berita Harian di Singapura.
Berita Harian is a very important newspaper in Singapore. It's more than a newspaper, in fact, because it is an important institution for the Malay community in Singapore. I think when you want to read and understand the Malay community, or if you want to reach out to the Malay community, you either have to go to Berita Harian to read the information or to make use of Berita Harian to do the outreach. Berita Harian has been tracking Singapore's development and providing timely and relevant information. Berita Harian has been a voice for the Malay community, and you have also been an important platform to galvanize the Malay community to tackle some of your common challenges. And you have also been a key advocate of Malay culture, identity and language.
Jurulatih pasukan Lions 12 Fandi Ahmad dan Kapten pasukan Isa Halim turut meraihkan pelancaran itu.
As the Minister in charge of sports, I've always been grateful and appreciative of what Berita Harian has been doing and continues to do in its new content and in its new platform to support Team Singapore and to profile our local athletes, particularly in football.
Tetamu yang menghadiri acara itu menyatakan harapan mereka untuk aplikasi digital beritaharian.sg.
Saya harapkan agar masyarakat lebih memahami beritaharian.sg dan menggunakannya sebagai satu saluran untuk mendapat maklumat, saluran untuk memberi feedback, maklum balas, juga saluran untuk memberikan idea-idea baru kepada masyarakat terus maju ke hadapan dan juga agar mereka boleh menggunakannya untuk membuatkan cerita sendiri.
I believe that the launch of this mobile application is increasingly useful because in this digital age where users are very tech savvy, this is a wonderful app for our members to get information.
Orang-orang seperti saya memang mengalu-alukan kerana saya sering mengembara, tidak berada di Singapura dan sebagainya, dan saya rasa kita tidak ketinggalan untuk mendapatkan berita-berita terkini, informasi yang terbaru dari beritaharian.sg. Setinggi-tinggi tahniah kepada beritaharian.sg dan semoga ia akan menjadi satu wadah yang amat dipercayai dan diyakini oleh masyarakat kita. Syabas Berita Harian.